shall come to thee, O Israel. Our spirits by thine advent here disperse the gloomy clouds of night, and death's dark shadows put to flight. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O come thy King of David, come and open wide our heavenly home. Make safe the way that leads on high, and close the path to misery. Rejoice,